Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y21s. In this video I'll show you how to connect Pendrive in the beginning. Make sure that your Pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now the Pendrive is plugged. You can go to Files, scroll all the way down in Browse, and if your Pendrive is not visible right here, go to Settings. Search for OTG, and enable this function. Now your Pendrive should be visible right here. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.